Hi everyone, I'm Vaibhav. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Django on your system as well as launch your very first project in Django. So let's get started. First of all, go on to the official website of Django, djangoproject.com, and if you go into the downloads tab of this website, there is a command pip install Django equal 2.2.7. So we are not going to installing Django using this command because if you want to install a particular version, this command is fine. But if you are a beginner, and I would recommend you to install the latest version of Django. So how we can do that? So for that, just open your command prompt and type the command pip install Django. Remember here, if you are on a Linux or a Mac, because you are already Python 2 pre-installed on your system, you have to write here pip3. So as I'm on Windows system, I will write only pip. So again, a side note, if you're on Linux or a Mac, you have to write pip3 install Django. So let's hit enter. So as Django is already present in my system, it will return you the version number of the Django. As long as you are getting a number here, congratulations, you have done a pretty good job of installing Django. So let's create a folder on a desktop. Let's call it as Django exercise. In this folder, again we'll create a folder named as 01 project. Okay, fine. So now we will open this VS Code. Feel free to use your favorite text editor like Sublime Text, Atom, any other. So I'm going to use VS Code here. So let's open that folder. So the project 01 project is opened, and now go on to the command prompt, which is inbuilt in the VS Code. You can launch it by using Control and tilde, the key which is right above the tab, and we will write a command Django admin. This Django admin has a lot of functionalities, but in this command we are using this for creating a project. So the command is Django admin start project, and here you have to write the name of the project. So in this case I will write hello world. Let's hit enter. So here we can notice that hello world project is created, and here there is a file .manage.py. We are going to use this file to run the project. So let's go on to the in the directory of hello world. Now again we have to run the manage.py file. So we are going to run this file by using Python manage.py run server. Again, a side note here, if you are on a Linux or a Mac, you have to write Python 3. So I'm on a Windows, so I will write just Python manage.py run server. Hit enter. So it will give you some 17 unapplied migrations. It's completely fine. We will see that later on. And here they have given a URL where you can launch a project. So copy this link, which is link of your local host. We will open your favorite browser and just paste that link and hit enter. So the Django, here it is saying the Django worked successfully. So as long as you are getting this message, congratulations, you have done a pretty good job and to set up your very first project in Django. In the next video, we are going to more configure this project and display a hello world message from the backend. So that's it from this video. Thank you very much.